Kinongilam ki Indian National Congress ka khaknai trek jemang gila penpawi ki Sngewhun Halor ki Jingbatai Pynshai bala ai rek sarkar jela hakbai dei ba jing pentri kami ka roster system hak jela unongilam joka Congress Legislature Party uba Roni Lingdo ulong bu menteri rangba ka jela ula Pynshai ba onom dan kanu jaj benriu keban shali shiliang barulong ba on pentri kam ya ka roster system dak ba page khmat lani prospectively.
So we are very happy as a Indian National Congress because we're working for the interests of our young generation to ensure that our youth have a future in the state, our youth have faith in the system, and the government, the Chief Minister has clarified very clear that there will be no community that will be discriminated. The roster system is in place because all along after the reservation policy was enacted, there was no roster system in place. So it's been very clear now, it's been clarified. So the young generation should not worry. There will be no discrimination against any community. As per the reservation policy enacted by the Assembly, that will be followed in that aspect. Now you have got to start somewhere. And the court has been very, very clear that, it should be from the time the roster system should be in place, right from the time that the reservation policy has been enacted. But of course, it will be implemented prospectively. But you have to have certain basis, and the court has made it very clear that the roster system should be in place right from the time the reservation policy was enacted. See, a cutoff here, we've said now, the roster system will be in there, will be right from 1972, but the implementation will be prospective.